Hey guys, Siddharth Rajshekar here. Welcome to yet another Hall of Fame interview. And here I'm with Rajni Rao, who's from Mysore. And she was able to achieve 8.9 lakhs in the last 50 days by implementing the Freedom Business Model. She attended an event a few months ago when I been to Bangalore. And ever since, she's been taking this knowledge forward, been through a huge transformation herself, which she's going to be explaining. And she was able to achieve these results. So Rajni, first of all, congratulations on achieving this milestone and entering the Hall of Fame. Yes.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure today.
Welcome. So Rajni, tell us about your background and that point where we met at that conference, and then what happened after that. Just give us a little bit about your backstory.
To introduce myself, Siddharth, I'm an early educator from Mysore, and I'm running my preschool as well. I'm a publisher, and I published my curriculum. So this kept me busy till March of 2020, and I met you in Business Growth Summit in February. Actually, I came there not for your session, but for Swami Sukhabodhananda's session was there. That was a familiar name when the first session was yours. And when I was going through your session, I felt, what could I do digitally in my life? So I was not at all ready. But once you started, it is from then the word digital entered my head. Till then, I had no clue about what is digitalizing or how I can digitalize my knowledge. I had no clue, but only after hearing you from that point in my life, that digital, online, these two words got struck in my mind. And once COVID hit in this late March, we understood as an educator, I understood that this would stay for a very long time and this would take a very big hike in coming days. I realized it very, very early. And I thought this is the right time for me to get into your coaching system. I had also enrolled for the upcoming Digital Master Conference. So I didn't want to wait for it. I felt that now this is the time I have to take the next leap. And luckily, again, I saw your ad in Facebook. It was that day when I got again with you. And I just thought, let me attend this webinar. I had no clue. It was early in the morning. It was a Sunday morning. I just woke up and I just rolled my Facebook and I saw your webinar interview details. It was a recorded session as well. It was not even a live session. And 30 minutes from then my life changed.
Fantastic. So you got in March, and tell us about that journey. Like what all, are you a technical person? And what all did you have to go through in the last 3 months after that?
I'll tell you. So April, I enrolled myself for the silver level. And that 10 days was like for me day and night, like a penance, because I was learning something new. And that which thought I would never even imagined or dreamt in my life that one day I would do something like this. I had big dreams in my life, but never I thought I'll do something like this. So it was a penance for me to go through something very new. I'm a very non-technical person. Even today, I struggle to operate my smart TV remote. So you can understand what type of a non-technical person I am. So for me, from that background, it was very, very interesting. I never felt it difficult. From that point, it was very, very interesting. 10th day, I completed your level 1. 11th day, I enrolled into the gold membership. And I took it very, very seriously. Luckily, I had my kids at home. My 2 boys were at home because of this lockdown. So they completely helped me in this technical journey. They took care an entire course building. So that probably each and everything that you mentioned in these 2 courses, 2 levels, each and everything I was able to analyze when I started working out. Every point that in the coaching system, like fire first, aim later. So every step I felt I'm an example. This comes, this is true, adding value. I've just made a list. I'll read out these 10 things that you always remind your students. May I?
Yes, please do that.
So first is money, love, speed, and implementation. 100% for me. People buy your vision, not your products. Add massive value in your products. Fire first, later aim. Give a fail-proof formula. Don't get ready to get ready. Vision is version 1 is better than version 0. Follow golden triangle of success, that is learn, do, and teach. Solve problem and give simple, straight solution to your audience. Nurture your community and give a fail-proof formula. These are the 10 things that I just absorbed from you. Everything, whatever I've achieved today is because only these 10 points, and every point of these 10 points, I can justify myself. The speed which you asked us to go through, the implementation, the value that you asked us to deliver, probably for the very first time, I'm out of my college for more than 22 years. So I don't even really, remember sitting myself in a college, going through a lecture. I don't even remember any of these things. This 1.5 months, 45 months, when I completely absorbed your course, and it is from April I started. First week of May, I was almost ready to launch. I was preparing my curriculum, adding all the values, everything, how to sell a webinar, how to connect with people. You know, maybe I've not missed even one single instruction of yours. So if you dissect the whole project and see 100%, you will find me following every instruction, and it's a fail proof. It's fetched me the result today, whatever I'm achieved today in this journey.
Fantastic, Rajni. I first of all want to thank you for trusting in me and you know, doing every step over there. And that's why 8.9 lakhs in 50 days is this is a result of you just blindly following the system, like how I followed my mentor.
Any sense. Blind is only your closed eyes, Siddharth. For me, all the 5 senses were closed. Only 4 instructions were working. And being an early educator, we teach kids the shloka, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. I know the meaning of that. Probably in my student days or college days, I didn't understand. But today, this is my salutation to you, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev.
I'll pass it on to my gurus, you know, because we are just channels on this journey. So thank you.
My salutation.
Thank you, Rajni. Yeah, thank you so much. Superb. So tell us about your experience doing videos. You know, were you comfortable confronting the camera, recording courses, or tell us about that evolution? Like, how did you go through that?
Again, breakthrough moments. Like hackathon, because I'm not, you know, technologically, I can't even type very fast on my smartphone. I'm slow at that also. So in every hackathon, even before I could reply you in anything, I could find hundreds of reply coming up. You know, one day it was my name logo that, you know, you asked all of us to give a picture of name logo.
Yeah.
You stopped at my name logo and you said, nice. That day we celebrated at home. You said Ranjini Rao. You called me Ranjini Rao. Your logo is very, very good. And you told it's going to rock. That day we celebrated a party at home. So making videos was a breakthrough. Though I was a confident person and I had no exposure of making any videos or any such journey, but I was very well with my concepts that I wanted to deliver. I'll take 2 more minutes to tell you that I was selected for an international symposium in Finland for a research. So I had to do a research, and I was invited to present my research in Finland in April. So I had that research study very, very fresh when I met you in March. So I was, you know, I was ready with my research, and that was exactly serving a problem which all kids at early age face to read and write. Teachers don't have a fail-proof formula. Parents are struggling, children are struggling. I understood, and I had done my research in this regard, and I had that research with me when I met you and when I got to know about this course. So I took the right step and I digitalized my research. So today, whatever the programs that I have, 2 courses, is based on that. I developed the entire course. It was easy, but day 1 was very difficult for me. Later, again, I watched your video, the same things. Version 1 is better than version 0. Fire first, aim later. These, you know, I had to digest everything. And from then, I've done more than 80 videos, Siddharth. I've not edited one video. I'm not edited. I used to record and simultaneously upload on Teachable. I didn't even watch it again because I was very confident. Today, not even one single video is edited. Directly 30 minutes record, upload 30 minutes. That would upload and I would record my second video. This is how hand in hand I completed all my 2 levels.
Wonderful, wonderful. So did the hackathon help you finish? I mean, which hackathon did you complete? June, July, or the one before?
May. I was going through the May hackathon. From the day I enrolled into your course, I was going through hackathon. But May I took it seriously. And again, lead generation, 21-day challenge. I'm your Siddharth. May 20th, I launched my very first day of Facebook page, Lead Gen Academy. So my academy is known as Lead Gen Academy. It was on May 15th that we launched, and first 5 days, you know, I was even scared to type something, give away something. But again, a push was from your end. Every day watching your videos day and night. Even before my first webinar, I wanted to do blogs. I wrote my blog. I did my podcast, and I started making videos from May 20th till June 11th. That is exactly 21 days. And from day 1, only because of the courage, because of the confidence that you gave me. My videos, all for 20 minutes videos, and I had views up to 20,000, hundreds of shares. And within 1 month, I could build a community of 3,500 followers on Facebook. And my first 3 webinars, only organic leads, and I made a business up to 2 lakhs only from my organic leads.
So you didn't spend a single rupee on ads. It's just through the influence building that you did.
For first 2 lakhs. And I got registrations for my webinars from 12 different countries. And I have, for now, students from 8 different countries. For first webinar itself, I got 2 international enrollments. And registrations were from 12 different countries.
Wonderful, wonderful. All of you watching this, just type amazing in the comment box. It's really, really awesome to know that. So that hackathon helped you build your influence. Like, did you follow that whole process of building the Facebook group, Telegram group? Tell us about that process. How did you nurture your community?
May 20th, I started with my first video from zero. So I had previously, I was a very social media absent person. I was not there on any social media. I had no clue how it works. But I had to gather all the information, and May 20th, I started my first video. Even if I look at my first video, I can laugh at myself. But I did it. No editing, nothing. I just wanted that first step. I was very sure after this first step, I would not look back. So after doing that, people started, going through it. They all told me, because I was talking about the problems that we are all facing and thinking of the solution. So every day it was really a breakthrough moment for me to make all those videos. And as I told you, it got viral. Most of the videos got more than 20,000 views in a very short span. And after that, I wrote my blog, I did my podcast. So on my website, I wanted everything that you wanted me to have. Everybody just visit the website. Also, they should walk out with some information, with some knowledge. And in the whole process, I told you, you asked us to give value, stranger's secret. I can't stop telling all those influences that happened on me to gain this result. You asked us to give massive value through the product, and even everybody going through my courses say, how can you give this course for such a low value? And always my salutation is for you. In my every webinar, I dedicate this to you passively, though you're not there. So I tell them, it is you who taught me this. And while I was doing this, because it was March was lockdown, unexpected lockdown. It was annual year ending for all my other businesses that I was heading. So it was lockdown, and there was no money transaction in my bank account. Whole and made, there was little money left, which I wanted to do the best for my course. So when you told me add value, I had 1 lakh rupee left with me. I was not sure whether how will this course take away? How will I get back the money? I was not sure of anything, but you asked me to give value. I even went ahead and took an international accreditation for the courses. So I took accreditation from USA, IAO USA, and today I'm giving an international certification. All my students are very happy to receive. So even all these thoughts would not even cross my mind, or I would not even think of it unless and until you had told us, asked us to do. Like somebody standing behind and just telling, this is what you have to do. And we are senselessly, not just blindly, with all sense closed, following you to the T. I enjoyed being your student, and I'm your diamond member now. I'm happy that for a lifetime, I'll be yours.
Absolutely. Thank you, Rajni, for sharing that and showing your persistence and commitment, right through this. Tell us about that first instance where you were, where the sales started to come in. Was it a webinar selling? You were selling through the webinar, and tell us about that experience.
So after May 20th, I started my videos. June first week, I announced my webinar on 11th of June. That was a Thursday. So 11th June was my first webinar, and I was confident. By then I was confident because of the tribe and other thing. And I've modeled the webinar selling formula that you have given us. I don't think anybody will feel anything difficulty in doing any webinars. I never felt like I'm doing my first webinar, because the formula that you set for us, every single minute, I want to share this with everybody who is watching this, who are yet to get with their first webinar. If they follow this webinar formula, every minute you have guided us how to take it ahead. And if anybody see me doing webinar, they will acknowledge that I'm your student. So that webinar selling formula was so easy for me to follow. And on my very first day, and again, June 11th, I had to do a test payment on InstaMojo. And I was not left with 2499 was my first level 1 first prize that I launched was at 2499 and I didn't have 2499 to do a test payment on that day. And I had to request my family member to do that. But on the same day, on the same evening, I got more than 40 sales and 1 lakh rupee in my bank account. That was
Amazing.
first milestone that kicked off. Same day, morning, I was not left with that test payment. Evening, I had more than 1 lakh rupee in my account.
What did your family have to say about that?
Oh my God, they're all your fans, Siddharth. I have extremely supporting family. They're all your fans. As I told you, I was very fortunate. My two kids, they're home watching you all the time with me, sitting, watching your posts. It gave an exposure for them as well. They learned so many things from you and they were my technical savior. Now today I can manage everything. That day when I was busy building curriculum, so they helped me out, setting out all the technical things. And as a team, mama and kids, we rocked it.
Fantastic, fantastic. Pass on my love and wishes to both of them for really helping you. Yeah, superb. So yeah, this is really amazing to actually see your journey, your story, and how you're able to now impact so many other parents and children right now. So tell us about your core topic now. On you're saying you're into early childhood education.
Yes.
So where do you see the difference between the way that you would deliver in the preschool and the offline to now online? Do you see any differences, or where do you see things moving?
Yes, of course, there's a difference, Siddharth. Online, my core course is for teachers. I'm training teachers. And I also have courses for kids and parents as well. So because you told us to make a perfect curriculum, again, my niche was perfect. My webinar selling formula was perfect. Again, curriculum development. When you trained us to do the curriculum development, the training that we underwent, every bit of information that was in our head, we were able to put it in the curriculum as a curriculum. So I was very fortunate to have your course, and I designed exclusive courses for parents and kids. It's a short course that I did. Only I wanted the feedback because I invented a methodology. As I told you, for the international symposium in Finland, I invented a methodology which is patent protected. And I wanted to check out on that. If because of this lockdown, we were not able to reach schools to implement that methodology. So this was the best platform for me to reach across India and even outside India. Now parents and kids are very happy with that online. Parents of autistic kids are messaging me, special kids are messaging me, slow learners, speech delay kids, all parents and kids are messaging me that this methodology is working wonders, which stands as a testimony for me to tell teachers that they need to follow this methodology. So now I have teachers, early educators are my main market. So now I want each and everybody in India to try that methodology, which is a fail-proof formula, which can give the freedom from multiple writing, memorizing, and mugging. So it's basically reading and writing skills that I've developed with that 21st century brain development. So my course goes around these topics, and it's a fail-proof formula. And now after having 8 webinars of level, 7 webinars of level 1 course and 1 webinar of level 2 course, all of them are really happy, and they're sure that coding phonics is the methodology that I invented. And my tagline also, in one of the one-to-one session, recorded one-to-one session, I understood how to give a tagline for this. You were telling that have a punching tagline. It should be very short, crisp. So my methodology will give freedom from mugging, memorizing, and multiple writing. So I gave a tagline as stop mugging, start coding phonics. So that has become super hit. Now everybody with one line, they can understand. Now the child need not mug or memorize, but just join sounds and read. That is my methodology.
Excellent, excellent. Great to know that you're in Mysore, and now this technology that you developed is going out to the world.
Yes,
that is the power.
We are in 8 countries, Siddharth, and very soon I'm sure we are going to hit big.
Amazing. So what is your vision for the next 3 years, 5 years? What have you set for yourself?
My vision in terms of I want to reach each and every educator in India. I don't want to give up on even one single educator. So till now, because everything happened with a very high pace, I didn't do my marketing very, very aggressively. So this number 8.9 lakhs was not a result of aggressive marketing. I took it very, very comfortably, do webinar, sell in webinar, keep quiet. I have more than 6,000 email lists till now. So I didn't even reconnect with them. I didn't do anything because After launching my courses, I wanted feedback. I studied with each group. I personally asked them, took their feedbacks, got to know how is the course. And by 45 days, I understood that my course is completely core now. It doesn't need any correction. Now I focus my entire attention on the marketing aspect. From now, I want to even increase. I just spent around 1,000 rupees a day for 5 days a week. It was, till now, I've spent only less than 40,000 for FB ads. Now I want to go aggressive. I want to make it 2 or 3 folds, do 2 webinars in a week. Again, bring in all the old leads, do webinars for them. Now I have different strategy. So I think within this 2020, I want to at least cross 10 to 15 lakh per month.
Excellent. You will. Oh, yes. Awesome.
So after that 2021, when schools will be open, when education industry will revive again, then I don't want to spare even one single teacher. I want to go more aggressive, reach each and every educator, because this is one thing which is required for them. And once they even get a glimpse of this, I know they will come into my coaching system. I'm damn sure 100%. After this, I studied in this Spotify. I studied that I have a huge market in Asian countries as well. Everybody is from Uganda, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Qatar, Kuwait, Nigeria, Philippines, Malaysia. I'm getting too many responses, good responses. So once I'm stable in India, I want to go out, conquer all the Asian countries, leave no early educator there. They will have to follow my coding phonics methodology.
Fantastic, Rajni. Super, super proud of your achievement so far and the kind of impact that you're going to be creating. It cannot be measured, because if you're working with the teachers, they're going to work on the kids with this new methodology, and that's going to create like a ripple effect, which we can't measure what kind of impact. So I'm really, really honored to have somebody like you in this community to be doing what you're doing, using these tools and technologies that you just learned in the last few months. So thank you so much for what you do. Those of you who are watching this on YouTube or on Facebook, on my YouTube description, I've given a link to Rajni's next webinar. Please register, go and see what she does. If you're a teacher, if you're an early childhood educator, that it's a no-brainer. You need to go and follow her system and understand what she's doing so that you can impact the kids that you are supporting. And if you're somebody who is aspiring to become a digital coach, like what she's doing, please join me in my next webinar. I've given a link over there. You can go and watch a 45 minutes orientation video, 45 minutes video, sids.co/formula. Take action, get into the bandwagon, and equip yourself with these knowledge, skills, and tools to up your game and move to the next level. So Rajni, thank you for this interview. Before we leave, I normally ask this question, which is based on all your years of experience and learning and your life experiences, if you have to bring it down to one success principle that you live by and that you'll continue to live by for the rest of your life, what is that success principle?
You are asking me to bring it down to one.
Yes, your top one.
My top one is adding value.
Adding value. I can feel that definitely from everything that you've been doing. Adding value.
If I can bring value in others' life, then I feel I'll be blessed. And that is one thing that I can say that I learned it from you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Rajni. Next interview we'll do when you hit 1 crore. Looking forward to that very, very soon. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.